answers I can't find. Who am I? What do I see? Why am I different? Am I living the dream? I am changing the things I can no longer accept. The world made me what I was, but my faith made me what I am today. I know you have your opinion, but let's be honest. Your opinion of me does not define who I am, 'cause I know what you want me to be. Now, I'm gonna show you who I truly am.
We're counting days, we're counting hours to the breaking of the dawn. I'm finding ways and fighting fouls of the thoughts you left behind. Where do we belong? Where do we belong? Yeah, where do we belong? Where do we belong? Where do we belong? Yeah, where do we belong?
It doesn't hurt me. Do you wanna feel how it feels? If you wanna know that it doesn't hurt me. Do you wanna hear about the deal I'm making? It's you and me.